Remdesivir, sold under the brand name Veklury, is a broad-spectrum antiviral medication, which means it covers a wide variety of viruses. It is administered via injection into a vein. Remdesivir is the first treatment for COVID-19 to be approved by the US FDA. Used to treat adults and children 12 years of age and older and weighing at least 88 pounds, 40 kilograms, with coronavirus disease, COVID-19, requiring hospitalization. You should not take chloroquine or hydroxychloroquine while you are taking Remdesivir. Either of these other medicines could make Remdesivir less effective. Remdesivir is usually given once per day for up to 10 days. The best dose in people with COVID-19 is still not known. You will need frequent blood tests to check your liver function. Side effects may include liver inflammation, an infusion-related reaction with nausea, low blood pressure, and sweating. This tutorial is for education purposes only and is not a substitute to your doctor's opinions. Like and subscribe for more exciting tutorials. See you.